Hello class, welcome to week 5 of English 110, and this is the week where we start our next unit, which will focus on Ta-Nehisi Coates' A Case for Reparations, and will end with our research project. So, what should you do for week 5 of the semester? Okay. So, the main thing that we want to do in these next few weeks is really start to understand and comprehend the central text of the unit. The Case for Reparations, a very long-form essay by the writer Ta-Nehisi Coates. As you can see, the PDF to the essay is in our folder. Also do note, down here is an audio version of the text. Now the audio version is not there for you to replace the reading, it's there to supplement it. So as you read along with it, you could listen to it, you could read it first and listen to it separately, and so forth. But just know we both have the PDF and the audio version. Also in this week's folder, we have a vocabulary guide breaking down some of the key concepts and words that you might not be familiar with. We have some study questions. If you're able to answer these study questions, you will know that you're really on to understanding Coates' ideas and arguments he makes in this essay. And it's a long one, and so he's going to make a lot of separate but interrelated arguments. Next, we have 4 videos going through parts 1 through 4. For this week, we're only reading through parts 4. You can always read ahead, but the videos and the writing quiz and discussion board will just cover stuff from sections 1 through 4 of his essay. And so there are the PowerPoints breaking down each section. Then we have writing quiz number 3 and discussion board number 4, both of which are on the essay. Finally, here is a link to the research project. Now, we're not even going to begin to discuss the research project for a while, but I wanted to give you a link so you could look at it, so that you could kind of maybe think and plan ahead, but don't start anything about the research project. We'll have plenty of time to go over that, provide support, and go step by step through the research project. So, for this week, make sure you read through section 4 of Coates' The Case for Reparations. After you have read that, watch the videos, and then take writing quiz number 3 and discussion board number 4. Thank you very much, and I look forward to reading your work.